Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this channel talks about everything luxury but in a mindful and slow fashion way. So if this is of some interest to you, please stay a while, take a look, subscribe and like, and also subscribe to follow me on Instagram with the same channel name as well as icon, where I post images of how I incorporate these little luxuries that I've unboxed on my channel into my everyday lives. Also, sometimes I post sneak peeks of what is to come on this YouTube channel as well. So today, as the background shows, I have some Chanel Beauty unboxing to show. And here it is. Now, it's Lunar New Year coming up for those of you who is of Asian background or just, living in a place where there's Lunar New Year celebrations going on. You would probably have known. Next year is the year of the snake. And Chanel Beauty Online has a soft launch, I would say, because I don't think I've received any email communications about this launch on the website. A Lunar New Year sort of, I guess, product, not a whole lot. I think, and some of that I don't think are specifically for Lunar New Year, but they do have a sort of special packaging for the Lunar New Year. So that's why I took the opportunity. As always, I'm a sucker for packaging, and I often make my purchases, I guess, time with these sort of special packaging promotion, especially for Chanel and Dior Beauty Online. Usually of products that I was going to buy anyway, but I just haven't done so because I'm waiting for, I guess, a better opportunity to get a little extra perks for the money that I spend. So with this packaging, what they have is a weed icon. I think this is one of Coco's, I guess, wouldn't say symbol, but I think it's one of those things that she likes to use as decoration. I'm not too sure, but that's what I've heard. Um, and where did I hear it about this? I heard it from Super Jacob's channel. So he's the guru in Coco's history, and so if you're interested, please go take a look at his channel. I won't try to elaborate more because really, like, all the information about these kind of things I obtain from watching his channel. And you get another charm that is of the same. So double-sided. Again, just a CC logo in the middle with the wheat sort of picture along the side. What do I think of it? No, it's a little bit meh in my opinion in terms of the design. It's definitely not as pretty as, those Christmas ones that we've seen in the past that I've got in my background. But, I like to collect these little trinkets and things like that. And I was going to buy these products inside anyway, so why not? So I will just and I've also just bought a new microphone for filming as well out of my own money. So I hope the quality of the audio is better. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I am very softly spoken and I do have trouble raising my voice. I think my vocal cords just shake when I try to speak louder. So, I know some of you have sort of mentioned that the audio is a bit too soft. I'm trying my best with new equipment and things like that, and I am trying my best to project my voice better, but I think it's just the anatomy of my vocal cords. I really can't talk too loud for long periods of time. Otherwise, my voice starts shaking. So here you've got the samples that you can pick out, 2 samples with the online order. So this time I have picked out the Hydra Beauty Micro Creme and the Sublimage Eye Cream. I love this Sublimage Eye Cream. Every time when it shows up as a sample that I can pick, I would pick this. It is very expensive. It's a full-size product, so I'm getting as much as I could with the samples. And these are very good to take on travel because of the volume. So, and it comes in this little black pouch. Again, I keep these for, using with other things whenever I need a small pouch. It's just a fancier way. And it's in the origami box. You can also get a card to write something on if you so wish. And I've got 2 things here from the number 1 range. Now this one is a serum in mist. I'm running out of my facial mist. And so I decided to try this one. I haven't tried this one before, this number 1 serum mist before. I have tried the other ranges in the sample size, and yeah, it's a range that I tolerate because Chanel skincare is fragrance, so sometimes my skin do react to certain fragrance, but the number 1 range I have had no reaction to. So yeah, beautiful glass matted bottle with these embossed, I would say. It's not stickered, and you've got a nice cap that's got the CC logo, quite classic, and it's just a normal spray. I'll see what the mist. So you're supposed to shake it and then do a bit of a mist. Okay. All right. I feel it's not one of those that is very finely misted spray. So it just sort of spits a little bit, but maybe I'm not pressing it too hard because I don't want to get my fingers wet. Let me just try again. Oh, okay. So you need to press it a lot harder for it to come out as a fine mist. So it's one of those bottles that you just need to have courage and just press down in one go, and then it actually does form quite a fine cloud of mist. Just very lightly scented and yeah, quite moisturizing. It does feel a little bit sticky. So if you don't like mist that sort of feels a little bit sticky afterwards, then this might not be for you. But I think it's because it's actually got serum in it. So that's why it does have a little bit of stickiness to it. So, which is not something I mind. I actually prefer this type of mist because it does feel like it's sealing in the moisture for me. So that's lovely. And then this other one is a new product that I've saw online, and I wonder whether this is, I guess they took use of the Lunar New Year to launch this. I don't think it's a limited edition. They didn't say it's a limited edition, but the color of it, is red, which is with the number 1 range, which is why I think for the Lunar New Year, they are really trying to promote this range because of the red color. But yeah, so there is a new massage tool. Interesting shape there to try to get a bit of a contouring up, and it's got the camellia picture engraved onto it, and then it's got the CC logo on the other side. Comes in a little pouch that says #1 de Chanel. And yeah, I think there's a video online on how to use this massage tool. I think this was meant to be for like the nose, or sort of beside the nose area for pores. I think this was meant to be for the sort of jawline. I wonder if they don't come in with any instruction, except here they've got a picture of what the function of each of these massage air sort of tool area is for. So yeah, that's for the elasticity, that's for pores and radiance here. Made in France. I think on the website it says it's made from camellia byproducts. So, and here on the box it also says that youthful appearance. So you can have to go on site to look at how to actually use this tool, like the technique of using it. Made with more than 85% bio-sourced materials, including camellia byproducts. I think on the website it said it was like camellia seed husk. So doesn't have a smell. And yeah, so quite cutesy. I don't have like gua sha or any of those massage tool. The only facial kind of tool that I use is my Dennis Goss LED mask. So it's not really a massage tool. It's like a light therapy, which I love, by the way. And if that was to ever malfunction and cease working, I would go and repurchase another one, because I have really noticed a difference with the texture and the radiance of my skin since using that LED mask quite regularly. And yeah, but I want to try this to see whether it would help with mainly elasticity and pores. I guess are the two things that I want to try to use this for. So yeah, a bit of homework for me to try to learn those technique. I think it's something that I'll just need to do it at the same time as the video for me to actually learn, rather than just watching it and then try to memorize it. I'm not very good with with that type of learning. I'm a very hands-on practical learning person. So yeah, so these are the two items I purchased, which I was going to buy anyway, and was just waiting for the some perks to come along before I make a purchase. And if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to thumb up the video as well, and take a look at my Instagram account. And until next time, you all take care. Bye.